Our coaches, Julie Kyle and Amy Hendrickson, are amazing at prepping us in our class before we actually go to competitions. Justin Weller was a first-year moot court student and was paired with me for my partner for moot court, and together we went down to Orlando, Florida and qualified for the national competition. And there, Justin and I competed against the best moot court teams across the country, and we ended up placing in the top 32 teams. Moot court not only gives you those public speaking opportunities to work with actual Supreme Court cases that have been decided before, but moot court also teaches you how to brief cases. Your first year of law school is dedicated to briefing Supreme Court cases. Moot court has taught me to be more comfortable with my public speaking skills. I think that's something that all students struggle with, and it can be beneficial for not only students going into pre-law, but for any student that is going to experience speaking in front of crowds with complicated material. When I came to SVSU, I was thinking the pre-med route, and then I took my first chemistry class and had to rethink it altogether. But I think I realized my strengths were with my public speaking, and I enjoyed reading and writing, and moot court offers all of that on top of being a fun class where you can make friends.